In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. Fix Today here, let's begin. Start by going to your Windows 11 desktop, click the Start button on your taskbar, then select the Settings icon to open the Settings app. Inside Settings, click on Windows Update at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. In the Windows Update section, look for the Pause Updates area. To quickly stop updates, click the Pause for 1 week button. This will immediately pause all updates on your system. If you want to pause updates for a longer period, click the drop-down arrow next to that button and choose a duration. You can extend the pause for up to 5 weeks, depending on your preference. If you want a more permanent method, click the search icon on your taskbar, type Services, and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll all the way down until you find Windows Update. Double-click it to open its properties. Inside the Properties window, change the startup type to Disabled. Then click the Stop button under the Service Status section to stop the service immediately. After that, click Apply, then click OK to save your changes. This will prevent Windows from automatically downloading and installing updates. Keep in mind that disabling updates completely is an advanced step. It can stop important security updates from being installed. If you choose this method, make sure to re-enable updates occasionally and manually check for updates to keep your system protected. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.